In this video, I'm going to review SaleFreaks, which is a really popular dropshipping software and platform. And so I'm going to talk about its pricing, features, reviews, and a bunch of other stuff. And I'm also going to compare it to AutoDS in a few key areas where I think AutoDS is actually better than SaleFreaks. So that's going to give you a little more context and you can understand which platform might be better for you. So I've included the links to both SaleFreaks and AutoDS in the description and pinned comment of this video so you can check them out. So SalesFreaks also has a range of pricing options that are primarily based on the number of listings and orders that you process. So you can see they have beginners 500, which is £29. Then they have intermediate 2500, which is £99. And you can choose a bigger package and that's going to be a different price depending on how large you want to go. So if you chose Empire, that's up to 100,000 for about £2,109. And if you want more than that, just like with AutoDS, then you can actually contact them and figure out a custom solution. So you can take a look at all the different things that are offered in each plan. And unlike with AutoDS, you actually have more options here. So you can choose between pounds and USD. They've got full packages like what I'm showing you here. You can also choose, different package for auto orders and tracking. So that's these plans right here. And then you can also do managed accounts for order fulfillment, which will charge you a processing fee depending on the order volume. Now let's talk about platform integration. Now SaleFreaks, as they describe themselves, is an all-in-one Amazon to eBay dropshipping software that powers your entire business and makes sales 24/7 on autopilot. So SaleFreaks really focuses on Amazon to eBay, and so they're not really focusing on all the other platforms that AutoDS, for example, integrates with. So that makes their focus much more narrow but specialized as well. So they have much more optimized tools for these platforms that they support compared to AutoDS. But of course, if you do need to use like some of the other platforms that aren't included with SaleFreaks, then obviously the choice has been made for you. You would have to go with AutoDS. Now let's talk about automation features. SaleFreaks offers advanced automation tools that are specifically designed for eBay and Amazon sellers, including auto ordering, inventory management, and repricing tools that can help you maintain competitive pricing so that your competitors don't beat you with the price and get all the customers. Now let's talk about product sourcing and management. SaleFreaks is known for its strong alliance with Amazon as its primary supplier, so this really facilitates the import of Amazon products to eBay. So this focused approach on Amazon is just much better for people who want to dropship Amazon products. So if you're dropshipping Amazon products right now in your business, then SaleFreaks might be better for you. Now let's talk about order fulfillment and tracking. SaleFreaks provides specialized tools for managing orders from Amazon to eBay, including a unique locator ID system to track orders and ensure efficient fulfillment and customer satisfaction. Now, speaking of customer satisfaction, let's talk about the customer support and training. Now, SaleFreaks also offers great 24/7 customer support. They have a large team of support staff that works 24/7 around the clock to ensure that your questions and problems are resolved really, really quickly. So once you actually sign in using the link in the description and you have your dashboard, then you can see that you can actually request support anytime and they get back to you pretty quickly. Now let's talk about analytics and reporting tools. SaleFreaks also provides strong analytics tools, especially designed for tracking performance on eBay and Amazon, which can help you optimize your strategy and improve profitability. As far as user interface goes, both AutoDS and SaleFreaks have a very modern, intuitive interface that even a beginner can easily navigate. Where the difference between the two of them is that SaleFreaks really focuses on optimizing everything for Amazon and eBay sellers, whereas AutoDS is a little bit more general because they support more platforms. Now let's talk about scalability, which is really important if you want to make more money in your business. Because SaleFreaks focuses on Amazon and eBay, they don't really provide as much flexibility friendly for users if you're trying to diversify your business. But what do customers of AutoDS and SaleFreaks have to say about them? Well, let's take a look at their Trustpilot reviews, starting with AutoDS. AutoDS is absolutely crushing it with reviews. They have over 7,600 reviews with an average of 4.8, and it's a verified company. So as you can see, almost all their reviews are 5 stars with just some 4 stars and almost nothing below that. And they also have recent reviews as early as 14 hours ago, and they're even replying to their customers. So you can see the team is prompt. If we look at SaleFreaks, then they're doing decently, but they only have 30 reviews with an average of 4.0. So they have fewer reviews and a lower rating, but it is a verified company as well. Most of their ratings are 5-star, but they also have a decent number of 1-star reviews, which is not too good. So overall, I do think AutoDS is better for most people because they offer more platforms that you can integrate with. But if you're specifically looking for eBay and Amazon, then SaleFreaks might be better for you. As far as pricing, I think the pricing structure for AutoDS is also simpler because it's divided up into the different platforms, and then you get pretty much everything included for each platform depending on the plan. Whereas on SaleFreaks, it's a little bit more confusing because they have full packages and they've got separate orders you have to do for order fulfillment, and you have to buy a separate thing for auto orders and tracking. So it's a little bit more complex, and I can see the prices in some cases are a little bit more expensive as well. So AutoDS is generally better, but again, if you prefer to use Amazon or eBay, then SaleFreaks might be better for you. I've included the link for both platforms in the description and pinned comment of this video, so you can check them out and sign up for free. As you can see, AutoDS has a 14-day trial for just $1, and you can cancel anytime. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.